All right, to wrap things up, what we want to do is we want to export the composition. We're going to do that here. I'm going to quick save. Um, and always save before you actually go to export. To turn that on, what we want to do is we want to go into our composition layer here, and we're going to add this to the render queue. There's a couple things this is going to render a little different than Premiere Pro. What we notice, this is my render queue box that pops up here. I could turn that off in my windows if I want. Here's my render queue. Okay. Now we can leave these two settings. The blue things are the things that we can change here. We can leave best settings. That makes sense. Okay. The H264 is my MP4 video. That's good. We want to keep that at the render settings. But what we have to change here, and yours is probably says unspecified or something like that. We need to give it a name and a location. So please set your name to Apeak logo and maybe put your name after it. Okay. I'll do Mr. K. No period here. And then I'm going to set this to my video production class, After Effects, so that I can find it. So I hit save there, and it still hasn't rendered. But now what you notice is once I have a location in the name, now my render button is not grayed out. Okay, so I'm going to hit render, and that's going to start compressing my video, my project, into an MP4. And when it's all done here, it's going to be 301 screens here. When it's all done, then my video will be in my folder, and I can watch it, I'll preview it, and I can turn it in. So that is the extent of it. We want to make sure that it gets to the end and that it works. Okay, so once that's done, you can pop open your folder here, and I'll bring mine over, and there it is. And now I can go here and I can go, let's open the file location. There's my Apeak logo number 4. I click on it and it should open it, and I can watch it. Make sure it works properly here before you turn it in if you're in my class. And it does, so now I can turn that into the class for the assignment. All right, thanks for joining me in today's series, and we look forward to seeing your work, and keep on designing.